What is up, Doza fam? Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Oppa. 사랑해. 사랑해, oppa. Look at him, guys. He is wearing his coat today. In the Korean dramas, that's the look he's going for today. Look at him. You gotta do... No, oppa means like older brother or older, a male. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to go out and explore today because it is Bravo, which means
We can go to the mall.
we can go to the malls for military personnel because the COVID cases are really low in Korea right now. So we're gonna take advantage of that and go out today. Again, I know we went out yesterday and shopped, but alright, we are gonna head out and I'm driving today. Wish me luck, pray for me.
Okay. Oh, yeah, you are driving.
You forgot. All right. Peace, guys. We'll see you at First Village.
She's still looking for her what was it? Bins, baskets.
Oh, because this one's if like for underneath the bench, it's either gonna be this big one or this one. We'll see, but it has to be brown. You guys, we made a wrong choice and entered one of the stores. It was like super expensive, and I almost ended up buying something because I felt pressured by one of the ladies. It was so hard.
They're very good at trying to sell here.
Yeah, but it was cute, not gonna lie.
So we came to the bakery now. We're inside.
Which one are you gonna try first?
This one, the hot.
Ooh. Got your gloves on.
Yeah, they provide gloves.
So you don't dirty your hands, which is smart. Yeah. Looks very like warm. Is it sweet? No? Savory? Oh, that's a first.
So good.
Yeah?
The onions.
Is it soft? What's in it? Like onions?
Yeah, onions. I don't know what that is on top.
Cheese?
No, like the herbs
Chive?
and then the cheese. You see it?
Yeah, looks so good. My mouth is...
I'm getting water.
Oh yeah, hurry up, my turn. I'm trying to be cute.
It's gonna be messy.
Okay, fine. So this is like a strawberry cream cheese dessert on brioche bread. And
Ooh.
it looks like, that's why I grabbed it because I know you'd love it. Looks like there's some kind of like blueberry jelly inside too. If you can see that. Doesn't that look beautiful, you guys?
The strawberries look really fresh.
Yeah, well it is early morning, so I'm pretty sure they just made these. Yeah. I'll take the first bite. Ooh. The brioche on the bottom is kind of hard though. That was good.
Strawberries.
This is like legit like cream cheese. It's not like cheese.
It looks really soft.
The strawberry is really fresh. It's so sweet. The strawberry is really sweet. And the blueberry goes so good with it. Yeah.
Get that little sour taste from the blueberries.
And I think this is some kind of like pistachio on top, the green thing. Yeah. I'm gonna take one more bite. Give it to Sherwin. That is so good. You gotta taste the strawberry, babe. It's delicious. I'm happy.
We're here at Mano Coffee.
It's in Blue Crystal Village.
Yeah, it's a cafe.
Yeah, we didn't vlog earlier, I guess. We forgot to. But
So she got the milk tea pot. And then I got the same thing that I always get, caramel macchiato. Very basic. Took some pictures. Wow. That glow. And then she took one of me.
I'm loving this. Today has been so much fun. This is our second like cafe that we've been to today. Just for coffee this time.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are back. So after Daiso, because we went to Daiso after the cafe, we actually went home and just like rested for a little bit. And it is currently 5:30 at night now, or in the evening. And we're gonna go
We're
eat.
in Asan, Techno Valley.
Yes.
We're gonna go eat dinner.
Yes. We're gonna go have some Korean barbecue.
Yes. Look.
It's actual charcoal.
Yeah, it's actually charcoal, not propane gas. Let's do this one first. I think this is the throat.
Yeah.
Let's put this.
Oh.
Should be good for now.
Try it.
This is the throat.
고추장. Yeah, hot. How is it? Soft? I guess that's their pork
Really
belly.
Kimchi. Ooh, look at that glossiness. So yummy. Cooking mushrooms now.
It's so cool.
We just finished eating. Now we're gonna go walk around, play some games.
There.
So close. Someone's gonna take it.
Is it good?
I don't know. Whoa! I think you can get it. Round 2. Oh! She got it. Second try.
I got chocolate! I'm so happy I got it by myself this time.
These ones are easier, right?
No, it's not like Japan.
They drop so easily in Japan.
It's starting to snow. Can't really see
You can't
it.
really see it, but I felt it on my forehead.
He's like, why is my forehead cold? Like there's little cold drops.
We're going home now.
Yeah.
She got her.
My chopper!
My hands are cold. It's so nice outside though. We're home now, and we're gonna end the vlog here.
But yeah, after today's eventful day, we had so much fun. It felt like we were on vacation too.
Yeah.
Right.
Hope you guys enjoyed our adventure. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and then stay tuned for more videos. Peace.
Bye.